Good afternoon, dear students. Let's start with the new topic food insecure people. Food and nutrition insecurity has affected the large section in India, but the most affected people in the rural area are landless agricultural laborers, traditional artisans, and petty self employed workers. In urban areas, the most affected are beggars and homeless people, casual laborers, people employed in ill paid occupations, and construction migrants and other seasonal workers. Food insecurity is also seen in social composition of Indian society. For example, the SCs, STs, and some section of the OBCs who have either poor land base or very low land base or very low land productivity are poor to food insecurity. Migrants who left their home or town because of natural disaster in search of work are also among the most food insecure people. Further, many pregnant and nursing mothers and also children under the age of 5 years are food insecure people. The second National Health and Family Survey NHFS conducted during 1999-98 estimated that approximately 11 crore women and children in India are food insecure. Economically backward state with high level of poverty, tribal and remote areas, regions more prone to natural disaster, consist the largest number of food insecure people. These states are eastern and southeastern part of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Now let's move to hunger. Food insecurity also has the important aspect of hunger. To create food security, current hunger should be removed and the risk of further hunger should be reduced. Hunger has two dimensions type, that is chronic and seasonal hunger. Let's see them one by one. First, chronic hunger. It is a consequence of a diet regularly different in quality and quantity. This is caused due to lack of income to buy food for survival. Chronic hunger has reduced in rural areas from 2.3% of household in 1983 to 0.7% in 1999-2000. In urban area, it has reduced from 0.8% to 0.3% during the same period. Second, seasonal hunger. It is related to seasonal cycles of food growing and harvesting. It mostly affects landless agricultural laborers in rural areas. In urban areas, casual construction workers suffer from this during the time when they do not get work. The proportion of households experiencing seasonal hunger in rural areas has reduced significantly from 16.2% in 1983 to 2.6% in 1999-2000. In urban areas, it has reduced from 5.6% to only 0.6% during the reference period. Now, let's start with measures for self sufficiency in food grains. India is aiming at self sufficiency in food grains since independence. India has adopted all measures to achieve self sufficiency in food grains. The Green Revolution during the late 1960s and early 1970s helped significantly to achieve this. Although the success varied from region to region, during this period, high yielding variety seeds, that is, HYV seeds, of wheat and rice were introduced in many states. The highest rate of growth was achieved in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Production of food grains in Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Assam, Tamil Nadu has dropped. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, officially recorded the impressive progress in the Green Revolution in agriculture by releasing a special stamp entitled Wheat Revolution in July 1968. The success of wheat was later replaced in rice. The highest growth rate of wheat was achieved in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, which was 44.01 and 30.21 million tons in 2015-16. The total food grain production was 252.22 million tons in 2015 and 16.